So we're just going to do a quick overview of the controls and mechanics here. Let's go ahead and put your controllers down. Everything is hand tracking based. Once the controller is down, it should pick up your hands. Make sure that's enabled in your Quest settings. To move around, you just clench your fists and move them like this. It doesn't actually matter what pattern you do as long as they're kind of close together and moving. You can also just move in physical space by walking around. You come up to a wall, make sure you have your Quest barriers enabled in the default settings, so that will prevent you from hitting a wall or objects. Okay, now if I want to change directions, I can just turn around and then run whichever direction that I want to go. To pick up objects, you just touch the object with your left or right hand, and that's going to put it into your inventory. So your hand will change color, showing that you have something in your inventory. You can run around with it now and then drop it wherever you want. To drop it, just clench your right fist, left fist open, put those together, pick it back up, drop it down, and so on and so forth. So in order to make items, so these bracelets here or your helmet, which are just the current armor pieces we have right now, you're just going to run over here, and I'm going to put two together to show you that you can combine multiple resources. So if I go and grab this one, and I put it next to this one, I can now combine these two together. Technically, you can combine one together. So if I go like that, I'm going to get a white sphere. If I was to just do that with one, so if there was only one in the sphere, it's going to turn gray. So basically, the better color grade, based off the more unique resources you have, the better items that you can get. So you're going to be drawing from a better item pool. So let's do the two, and let's get something a little better. Just hold your hands like that for a couple seconds. It will delete all of the items and give you an item in your hands. So if I want to see what item that is, I can just drop it. So here I got a little bracelet. I can just pick that up. So now it's in my inventory. If I want to drop it again, I can just do the same thing. Pick it back up again. Now if I want to equip it, whenever there's something, an item that can be equipped in your inventory, you can do that same shape, and after a few seconds, you'll see my bracelet's changed and it removed it from my inventory. So that's the basics, how you pick up stuff, drop stuff, combine stuff, and then equip it. If you want to see what you look like, you can walk over to a mirror. Right now this is just a test environment. Eventually those will be in a building or something. So I can walk over here, I can see my helmet. So that can be changed out as well. If you get a helmet item, just go like that, it'll equip the helmet, and you'll see your hands will change color. Okay, so that's what I look like. Now to attack other players, the more gear you have, or the better gear you have, the longer you will turn them into stone. So you're basically just going to do the opposite now. It's to drop, you do right hand clenched, left open. To switch combat mode on and off, clench your left fist, right hand open, same shape. You'll see everything will go red. Now if you look at someone, they'll turn into stone after a few seconds. And to turn that off, you'll go like that. Now if you get turned into stone, your screen will go gray and you won't be able to move. So if you do that, your hands will be gray and you'll just stand in one place. So that's kind of the temporary combat system for right now. And those are all the main mechanics. If you want to exit the game, just go find your controller, press the menu button, and quit just like you would any other application.